guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to run Java program in BlueJ. So first here, if I go into this command prompt, let's write there CLS. If I write Java minus minus version, you can see JDK Java 26 version that installed. So Java must be installed in your system. Let's open there BlueJ, and this that's come there, creating a new project. Let's give there the name project X. So this is the location where project X is creating. Click on OK. Then here, new class. Let's give the name test. So this selected there, Java selected, click on OK. So you can get this. Now if I right click, open editor. So this is the code you can see here. So this is the code. So this code does not have any main method. So if I right click here, you cannot see main method kind of things. So that here I have the code. So let's copy this code. With the help of this code, I'm going to add 2-number program. So right click, open editor, select this all, paste this one. Control S to save. Now click on this compile. So class compiled, node syntax. Now let's click on this close. Right click on right arrow. Here you can see. So when the code has main method, this you can get. So click on this here void main string, and this selected there. Thereafter click on OK. So here according to given code, this returning there. So enter the first number. This number you need to enter this place. Second number 5. The sum is 8 plus 5, 13. That's the display. Now close this. To rerun, here you need to click. Then let's give there 8, 4. So 12, that's the display. So by following this approach, you can easily run Java program inside the BlueJ. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.